Heritage of Cebu. Nakita from here, Heritage of Cebu. Okay. Tayo dito. Sino po ba to? Magellan? Lapu-Lapu?
Lapu-Lapu yung may
Lapu-Lapu ba to? Walang sign. Baka nakasulat doon sa Heritage of Cebu. Ikutin natin. Oh, maganda naman pala eh. Nice. Paikot siya. Tabi ng fire station. So, sino ba to? Magellan to? Ito raw si Magellan. Tama ba? Siguro si Lapu-Lapu. Ano? Ito. Basahin natin ulit. Kung yung nakasulat. Heritage of Cebu Foundation. Yung mga ano yata nag-mission. Concept Design Planning Organization 1996. Construction, fabrication of artworks until completion is July 1997 to December 8, 2000. The Heritage of Cebu is an original idea of the artist Eduardo Castrillo and Honorable Mayor Alvin B. Garcia. Ayan. Ano yung story behind this? Hanapin natin sa Heritage of Cebu. Wala, salitang ano rin, Cebuano yata ito. So it was constructed under the administration of Honorable Mayor Alvin B. Garcia, Vice Chairman, President, Heritage of Cebu Foundation, and also His Eminence Ricardo J. Cardinal Vidal, Chairman, Heritage of Cebu Foundation. I-research na lang natin kung ano yung sabihin ito, pinaka-history nito.